For exercise number 2, we'll sing a descending fifth slide. A slide is just like the siren exercise from exercise number 1 because you glide over all the pitches. In instrumental music, sometimes a slide is also called a glissando. And so we don't want to hear landing on any one pitch except for the beginning and ending pitches. And I will demonstrate the female voice singing the exercise one time, and then I'll modulate to the next key with the piano. During the modulation, you can breathe, and then I'll sing a second repetition just so you can hear how to follow the piano part. And then the male voice demonstration will help the male singers figure out where to land in the right key. Both the male and female voice will be demonstrated in the same key, just an octave apart. So we'll start with a G4 for the female voice and slide down to a C4 on the syllable we. So you want to feel some little vibrations in your lips if you are able to on the w, and we would want to slide all the way down, so not we, but wee. And having vibrato on the beginning and ending pitch is great, but not mandatory. And that's pretty much all you need to know about the descending fifth slide.